Hey guys, what is up? It is your boy Notchmods here. Happy New Year's guys. It has been a while since I have made a video, but I digress. Today we are going to create a basic save system in Unity. Alright, the first thing I am going to do is to create the project. To do that, open Unity Hub, click on the new button. Name your project, and for this video I am going to create this project on 3D, but you can do it in 2D if you want to. Then hit create. Now we have loaded to an empty scene. The first thing we are going to do is to create a canvas with a button. This for loading the saved scene. Now let's create the scenes that we want to save. On the save scene I will be adding some objects to differentiate the scenes. Add those scenes into the scene in build, so that we can register those scenes into the game. Now once we have set up the scenes, we can create a new script. The script contains both saving and loading mechanics in there. Once we've opened Visual Studio, on the top type in using Unity Engine.Scene Management. This imports scene related functions. Next thing we need to do is to detect which scene we are on. To do that, type in scene current scene equals to get active scene brackets. Then type in if bracket current scene dot name equals to level 1, then player prefs bracket, add your variables inside the bracket, then comma 1. So basically if the script detects that you're in the scene that is named level 1, then it will save the scene by adjusting the number that is in the variable, which in this case is called scene save. Then repeat it for level 2 and 3. Now once we are done with the saving parts, let's code the loading part. Create a new public void outside of void update and name it loading scene. Now type in int saved scene equals to player prefs dot get int bracket scene saved, or whatever variables you have written on the player prefs dot set int part. This basically stores the variable number from the void update into an integer. Now we load the scene with scene manager dot load scene bracket saved scene. This basically loads up the saved scene. Once we have written the code, we have to assign them. So I am going to assign the loading function to the load. Then assign the scripts to each scene so that it will detect and save the scene. Now let's test the scene out. So I go to scene 1 and play it, then go back to the menu scene and click on the load button. It works. And level 3. I hope it works for you, and hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe, like this video and share if you found it interesting.